Ay, lubat na. Hi, Kali. Good morning, Kali. Wait. Check muna na. Nakalimot ko. What? Limutan na, guys. Good morning, guys. Good morning. 9:30 in the morning. Out. Whoa. Beautiful weather. That's it, Kali. Hindi ko pa pala ito nalagay. Pumili kaming curtain rod ulit. Ito guys, kasi itong side na to sa kitchen, wala pa tong curtain. Kailangan ko lagyan siya ng curtain kasi hindi siya nagka-match. Yung sa kabilang side meron, pero dito wala. Pero lalagyan natin yan. For days. No. 3 days pala. So, hindi ko alam kung anong plano namin today, guys. Siguro same as usual. We'll be going out to eat. Eating. Pero may binili yung asawa ko. For me, ito yung pinaka gusto ko talaga. Like, I've been like looking forward to have one. So, hindi na to like sobrang surprise kasi alam ko na yung binili niya. Na something for me. So, dumating siya kahapon, hindi ko binuksan dun sa room. Mamaya buksan natin yan. Ito na yung aftermath ng ating buhok. After tinulog, nawala yung kulot. But then, maganda talaga siya, guys. So, parang as much talaga sa akin yung short hair kaysa long hair. So, ito na yung magiging hair natin forever. Nanood kami ng movie kagabi. O, diba? Makalat yung aming living area. Kasi nanonood kami kagabi. Ay, mga alas 11 na siguro natapos. Diretso kwarto. Maglilinis ako po. Hindi muna ako mag-garden today kasi birthday ko. So, relax mood muna tayo. Bukas ko na yung tatapos. Meron kasi akong project doon sa labas. Good morning! What? 9:30 na, diba? Ingon ko nga, you have to wake up early so you can make me coffee. It's my birthday. Huh? You have to make me coffee kaya it's my birthday. Huh? Sakit mo, Tommy? Sakit na po. Wala kaya plus. Good morning. You have to make Mama coffee. Okay, it's Mama's birthday today. Ipimpos na si Anli. I'm so proud of her. You know why? Siya yung nagtanggal ng kanyang ipin, guys. Meron siyang ngipin na tarog. She removed her teeth. The baby teeth. Too proud. Meron pa isa, oh. Pero gipimples. Okay na, get up na. Wow, you clean your room. Go away, Mama. Go away. Happy birthday to me. This one, hindi na surprise kasi alam ko na to. Pagigising lang. Anyway, meron akong ibabalik ulit sa UPS. Yung sandal na kahapon binuksan ko, guys, malaki talaga siya. O yun, babalik natin yung sa UPS, guys. Meron akong mga nare-receive na messages. Ang sweet. Ang sweet niyo naman. Hindi kasi ako nagpa-public sa Facebook ba. Kaya wala akong like anybody na makapag-lagay ng happy birthday sa aking Facebook. Hindi ko siya inallowed. So, we have so much time to just sleep until we want. Kasi pagpasok ka na naman ulit, agoy. Sa'yo na pagmumaka. happy birthday to me. How old I am?
32.
You should lie sometime. You should say 18.
They get that from me.
It's
They're
not
very
not
This one?
honest. No. Your age.
It's
Oh.
not the among age.
They're very honest.
She was like, can I have one stem of rose? Thank you guys. What? What?
Nicole, there's a rose right outside.
Come on, wait.
Don't take it. I'm still like letting it grow. Thank you guys. Wala pa man ko nag-ready. Look, manglaba pa man gani ka. How did you get this thing to fly?
Well, gotta tie it and it'll fly away.
I mean like,
Oh, why does it float? It has helium in it.
ah,
Helium is lighter than air.
that's so cool. That's nice.
I have hundreds of people say happy birthday.
Yes. I'm 32. Not any younger.
Really? I thought you were
Yeah.
29.
14 na kagawad.
I guess I've lost track.
What?
I've lost track of your birthday.
You don't remember anymore?
No,
Ma-40 ra ka man.
I think 29. Diba?
29. How I wish. How I wish. I'm 32 and my back feels 50.
And the 13-year-old is shaking her head.
Why?
Because she hasn't turned 29 yet.
Not yet. When you turn like that age, you're like,
When you turn 29, you're gonna go, I'm getting old. Roses from Nicole, and a balloon from
Yashti.
Ashley, and then you got
Ooh,
a cake from my mom.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
May version ka na rin. Happy birthday to me. Mga yabag. Yay, murag bata. Labo nun. Wait. Sabi ko mag-relax ako today pero hindi kaya mag-relax guys. Kaya I have labuno here. I have to wash this kay napuno na akong basket. Birthday na birthday. Naglaba. This is the real life. Reality life of a mother guys. Walang pahinga guys. Buksan ko to, okay? Let's see. I'm gonna open the thing that you gave me. Daddy gave me this. Ay!
birthday?
Yes. So, alam ko na tong laman nito, guys. I already know what's inside. So, I don't need to like, oh my gosh, he gave me this.
Yeah.
Dapat mag-fake ko? Ouch. Hala ka! This is my favorite. Ito na ba yung gusto ko talaga? This one. Here. Buksan ko siya. Thank you, guys. Babe! This is it, babe. Yay! My favorite. Chador perfume. Brand new. Kaya naka-sealed pa. Of course. And then... Huh?
That's a new version.
That's not the newest.
It's the same perfume I got you.
No, this is different. This is the same name and brand, but the smell...
Same name, it's just a new version.
It's just like the smell is different. And they gave extra free samples. Well, actually, what's amazing about Macy's, however you say this one, they gave you samples for free. Well, if you purchase like mahal, of course. Okay, this one I got the biggest size, 3.4, or that's like 100 ml. I giguba na nako. But yeah, I'm sure samples are these smell so good too. Samples from Love Your Gift. Love Your Gift. Ooh, perfume samples. These are just small, but you can still whoa. Even if it's a small samples, you can still use this one. Ah, Victory, Million Gold, Million Flay. What's this? Oh, did I broke it? Yeah, I think I broke it. It's just a sample, but smells so good, huh? Hi.
My card. And
Ah,
I was gonna
thanks.
get you something else to write.
You don't have to,
Yeah,
really.
Yeah, I know. But you had a good birthday.
You got her cake. That's
I know. Do you like the cake?
Yeah.
Oh, you're welcome. Thank you.
Thank
for
you very
everything
much.
You do for the family.
Thank you so much. I'm unboxing this one. This one's so cute. Babe, it doesn't matter to you anymore because I know about this one. This. I was like, okay, open your gift. You know what it is. I'm sure this is the one that I really, really like so much. The smell is so good. Oh my gosh. Look how fancy the bottle is. Uy, naka, this is... Ay, babe! Yes!
That's the perfume?
This is the perfume. Very fresh. Like, smell it without even spraying.
Oh.
She was like, I'm gonna get that too!
I could already read her mind. She's gonna be borrowing.
Oh no, this is my smell. Authentic. Oh! Okay, I'm closing my eyes. Close my eyes. Close my eyes. Open it ayun. Dugay na abot na galing mo. I'm closing my eyes. Done? Adugaya uy.
Go.
Adugaya uy.
Go.
Huh?
Yeah, open. Open. Told you.
You were so kind.
Ano ba?
You're so kind.
I don't eat this. Matunga ba yataan?
Come on. Asa? Because ako gagawin.
Look what she's writing. She was like, tunga ba yataan ni ma? So sa tagal na kita gift pero maging tunga. And then, apat yung isa. Kang Nicole gyapon ni?
Tunga gyapon.
Oh!
I bought it for
Ma,
you.
tunga tama. Dinner, it's my favorite. Tunga tama.
And I make cards.
You have cards? Ay, wow! From Yashli, Nicole.
That hurts.
From Yashli. Ferrero and chocolate. Ay, I'm trying to lose weight because I'm going to wear a swimsuit. No.
Okay.
Ay, wag ka rin butanga. Tunga, tama. Whose card is this?
That's mine.
To my beautiful mother.
So mama, kumibutang.
Ay, wow, cute yan. This is a cute card.
Mas cute ang
Happy
ako.
birthday, Mama. Note inside. Sure. Note inside. Come here. Come here. Okay, you did
No,
a
my
beautiful.
secret.
That's okay. Come here.
Hello, butag mo.
Uy, asa mo ka nagkuha? Di pull out yun sa Google?
Wala. Uy.
Ay, wala. Come here, come here.
No.
It's okay, come here.
No.
I thank God to have a mother like you. I ask God to make your day special. Why? You shy? I thank God to have a special mother like you. I ask God to protect you every day and every night. More man nag-rhyme si Yashli. We will always love you. Ay, thank you, Yashli. Oh, napa! There's more! This is a big card. I thought it's just like that. Look. I love you, Mom. And I'm thankful to have you as my mother. We will always love you. Love from Yashli. Happy birthday. I love you, Mom. Thank you for taking care of me. Of me? Of me? of me when I was young. You always make me laugh and happy.
Not
Thank
young
you.
anymore. All grown up now.
What? Thank you for being in my side. You're now 32 years old. You're
So old.
You're now old.
But don't worry, we'll take care of you.
But you're still our mother as always. Huh? Love from your daughter. Leave. Love. Happy birthday. Keep smiling. Keep shining. Is this a song? Thank you, Yashli. Come over here. She's like, wala ko note. Thank you. Wala ko note. You didn't write anything. It's okay. Thank you, Yashli. I love that. This is so cute.
Nakatulog ko gabi eh. Nakatulog ko gabi eh. Ako no.
Wow, gipasangilan ang nakatulog.
Yeah.
From Nicole to Mama.
Nakatulog.
Ay, this is so cute. Yours as well. Tadadam! Mura manig ako. Very, ano ba?
Okay.
Bubbly.
Okay.
Ay! Ooh!
Wala mo gibasa.
Where did you get? This is
Wala
so
mo gibasa,
cute.
basa.
Let me first.
Basa,
So this year,
basa,
you're
basa.
getting them all. A cute one. Tingnan nyo, guys. This letter is so nice. Okay. Okay, a cute one. Think of this little card as a great big birthday hug. Where's my hug? Hey, Mom. Know what it means if you walk into a quiet house? Yes. I want a quiet house.
No. Basa.
Okay. It means you walk into the wrong home.
What?
So quiet. Okay. You're not just a mom. You're the maximum. It says you're maximum. Here. Your birthday is perfect time to tell you that you're the best. Love you.
Wait.
From Nicole. Mom.
Mama.
Give me a hug. Come here. Come here, Nicole. Hindi na siya muhag kay 13 na siya.
Grabe siya na ako.
Hindi na siya magpahalog. I need to work out.
Did you make coffee?
Yeah. Well, nakalimutan ng coffee.
I smelled it earlier.
It's still hot, so it's fine. Guys, meron palang binigay si akin si Ma'am Ami, but I already filmed it. I opened it last time, so insert ko na lang yung video. I'll be doing unboxing. Binigay to sa akin ni Ma'am Ami for my birthday. So my birthday will be next week pa. But then, I'm like, hindi ako mapaghintay. Sinabi ko kay Ma'am Ami na buksan ko siya sa birthday, but hindi ako mapaghintay, guys. But I will be inserting this video during my birthday celebration, and it's just so sweet for Ma'am Ami to send this because I think, yeah, she just sent me a message this morning and sabi niya, Jen, may pinapadala ko sa'yo through Amazon. It says there, like, ganun lang siya mag-write sa akin, nothing else. It's like, every time na she wants to give me something, it's always be like, okay, this is the track number, right? Ay, wala, ano. And it's just so sweet of her, talaga, guys. I don't know what she sent me. She didn't say anything, and she said, enjoy it. And I'm like, oh my gosh. Kasi bongga pa naman yan magbigay si Ma'am Ami. Happy birthday to me. Wait na ano ko, Caesar. Ano kaya ito? Nakabalot, guys. May nakabox pa siya. Ano kaya ito? Nakabox siya, guys. Oh. Wala akong natakot. Like, oh, nasa green box. Ano kaya ito? Like, hello, Mami, what is this? Keep your gift a surprise. Ano to? Makailan ko po tani? Uy, there's a letter. Like, happy birthday, Jen, from Ami Waters and family from Felicitas Warder. Thank you so much. Ayan, pakita ko talaga sa inyo. Thank you, Ma'am Ami. OMG. Alam niyo, Ma'am Ami, yung kailangan ko talaga. Okay. Now, I see kung ano na to. Alam ko na to, guys. Nakita ko sa review. Alright. Alam niya. Kasi, This is very cute. Look. This is so cute. I'm sure magagamit ko to. Like, super gamit. So, super fancy naman ito. Uy! Gubo na. Nakigubo na lang natin. Okay. First, here. This is for my... I think this is for my garden. Wait, paano ba ito buksan? Here. Ay, fancy. Ano ba ito? Okay. Uy, my gosh. Heavy duty na. I mean, I think malalag... for tools. Okay. This is... Oh my gosh. I've been looking. Actually, nagtitingin-tingin ako ng ganito sa sa... anong tawag nito? Paano ba to? Sa Shein. Kasi sa Shein mas mura. Sa Amazon. Like, mahal konti sa Amazon. Guys. But yeah. Hala, salamat. Thank you. Because yung, like, the one that I have here, I don't have like this. I just use the regular scissor to cut or prune. And this one is like, look how nice. Kasi may pa-spring. Beautiful. And then, meron tayong pa-spray. Pang water ito, guys. Para sa mga bagong, nursery. Nice. And then, I think, meron kasi kaming gloves na binili ni Belle, asawa ko, sa Walmart, and it was not expensive. It's just very cheap. Like, pang ko lang. Kasi, guys, hindi ako like maarte when it comes to like gardening. I even use my bare hand. I don't even use gloves sometimes. But there are times I just use gloves, especially if I'm using like fertilizer like that. Pero usually kasi mas prefer ko yung like kamay talaga, like nag-aano ng ground kasi parang easier for me to do it and faster. But yeah, I think this one is good for like if I'm pruning roses and then parang makaano ito ng thorn. Hala, thank you, Ma'am Ami. This is so... Hala, nangita ako ingon, Ani. I was looking for this. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. Tinitingnan ko talaga to. And sa Amazon kasi mamahal ito. Perfect. Perfect. Oh my gosh. This is just so cute. Thank you, Ma'am Ami. Nice. Yung ginamit ko, meron yung asawa ko ganito. Pero I think this one, ang cute naman itong maliit na pala, guys. And then this one, yeah, this is what I need. I think ito yung mas kailangan ko. Kasi meron yung asawa ko, pero mas malapad siya. So, if I needed a little space lang na dig ng hole for my small nursery plant, kailangan ko lang ng mas maliit. And this one is very, very perfect. Tingnan yung pala maliit. Thank you, Ma'am Ami. This is so cute. You know what? I'm gonna send this picture sa birthday ko na to her na nabuksan ko. But actually, I opened this advance. But yeah, thank you so much. Guys, we're changing clothes. Okay, we're going out to eat. 3:31 in the afternoon. So, natagalan kami lumabas because someone came. Very nice guy came here. Like, nagsisensos yung lalaki na yun. And he was so nice. Very, very nice. And he's like, Bill and him talking for more than 2 hours. Kaya hindi kami nakaalis agad. But yeah, we're going out to eat. And okay ba yung buhok ko sa likod? I'm wearing these. It's been a long time. I mean, I had this cute top from Shein, of course. And hindi ko siya masuot-suot because like, saan ko naman siya susuotin? So I was like deciding like, sige, suotin ko siya now because it's my birthday. So let me wear this. This one is like parang tubeless na. Yeah, and then I'm using this bag from Ma'am Ami, Michael Kors. I mean, from Ma'am Ami, she gave it to me. And yes, so we will be going to Cotton Patch to eat Di ko alam kung anong gagawin ko sa buhok ko. Ganyan lang siguro. Because it's very short na. So, maybe I should take this one. Ito na lang. Just in case. Or, you know what? Meron isa dito. I can wear this too. Yung hindi nakasama ko sa akin. This one. Like, this is leather jacket. Suotin ko kaya siya. Magmamatch ba? Nah, hindi match. Ito na lang kasi in case na. I'll just bring this one. But I'll be fine, I'm sure. Baka kasi malamig sa loob ng restaurant, so magdadala tayo ng jacket.
What?
Are you single today?
So you found my ring.
Ha! 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 Oh, you married me again. Really? Silly question. Wow, I like your outfit too. Bawal na ko ito balbalodal. Hasay bang? I like it. You look so cute.
No.
You're not baby anymore.
She already got there?
Look at it. No, no, you can sit in the front. You have a better, how do you call this one? Space for your feet. Did you guys bring your charger, guys? They're playing this sa TikTok natin.
Snapchat.
Okay.
Check.
This is where we ate before.
Yeah.
Are they closed?
And
What?
bring vendors. Okay, they'll just split it. Just one.
Yeah.
Recount or the full count?
Oh wait,
Okay, got
babe, is that included with drinks? The one I need Coke.
No drinks aren't included.
Oh yeah, can I add Coke?
Yeah, we have Pepsi. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Thanks.
And then, yeah, I'll get that 10.
Ate, ang easy na kay teacher. Kindergarten. I don't care, gamay.
What do you have? Chicken and fries, of course. Burger. Ganito lang. This is mine. Let's eat, guys.
Carrot.
Vlogger. You don't have rice.
What's that English of balato?
Beans. Beans.
Good.
What is this? A test?
Yeah.
Yeah. Happy birthday to me. Let's see. Ay, bukog akong kaon.
Good.
Ay, lamig kay siya. It's so good.
What if like mga $20 na?
Hmm?
What if like mga $20 na?
Basta hot doon. Okay na. See? The cook is like serving. That's what they always eat.
I tried to get the fish, but I don't know nothing for the day.
We are done. And we have Greenhouse. Greenhouse.
And if vengo sila na fight me, and then that's animal abuse.
That's so lame.
A sports
Fight me, okay, fight siya.
Wala na mag-practice sa tag-karate.
Tika cookie.
Did you enjoy us? Ha? Dito? You kidding? Where?
So, you crusty, nasty.
Kulita pa din yun.
Ah.
Ikaw may kadala sa gawas, di ba?
Ito ka na. Fresh ka are you?
Hindi fresh iya ang kain.
You're so nasty.
I'm changing clothes na. Di ba? Suot-suot ko pa yun. Wala akong picture. Anyway. Ay, baliktad. Tatawagan ko yung mother ko. I'm gonna call them. Umuwi yung brother ko from Cagayan. Umuwi siya sa Bukid. Ay. Si Mana.
Advance, related at my birthday.
Happy birthday mo. Paguli na mo. On me.
Nagkuhan. Nalabas man na. Wala ka panlabas.
Wala lagi si Jason.
Wala si trabaho.
Who's gonna wash dishes?
You galing.
Yes. You didn't put it away earlier. What? She's gonna eat my cake. Well, I'm not so into cake. So. Happy birthday, Jenny. How old I am? How old? 19? 32. 32. Whee! Very lovely. Yummers. I want to see inside if it's really. Oh yeah, it's chocolate. Yashli, come on. Well, that looks good. Patila ako gamay lang. Ayaw niya ako magbigyan, guys. It's my birthday. Gamay lang. Just gamay na slice. Karyo.